How to set a password on your Chrome browser. So in this video, I'll show you how to stop someone from accessing your Chrome browser with a password. Now all you need to do is open up a Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots, click on extensions and press visit Chrome Web Store. Now click on the search box, then type in lock browser and press enter. You could then click on this top extension which is browser lock and you need to select add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. You could then click on the extension toolbar and click on browser lock. Now select open settings, click on start now, and the first thing we need to do is create a free account. Now where it says browser password, this is the password we're going to use to lock our browser. You could then click on register and you'll see all of the browser lock settings. So make sure the browser lock is turned on and also auto lock needs to be switched on. Once you've done this, you can close out of your Google Chrome browser. And when you try opening Google Chrome, you will now see the browser locked page and you won't be able to access Chrome until you've entered your browser password.